We all know why we eat food. It gives us energy to do work and to do other important activities for us to survive. So let's learn about deficiency diseases. A balanced diet consists of the right nutrients in the right amount. To remain healthy, our body requires the right amount of nutrition, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and proteins from the food we eat. Unfortunately, there are many people in this world who do not get nutritious food for many reasons. Poverty and lack of awareness about the nutritional content of different kinds of food are two main reasons for people not being able to eat nutritious food. This leads to malnutrition, which means lack of proper nutrition and causes deficiency diseases. Here we see a food pyramid in which we have carbohydrates at the base, which shows that it should be taken in more quantity. On the top, we have fats by the shape of the top, which is triangular in shape and it is narrow also. We know that it should be taken in less quantity. A food pyramid shows us the correct amount from each food group that we should eat every day to maintain a balanced diet. Here we see a table which shows vitamins, their role, sources, deficiency diseases, and their symptoms. Vitamin A, its function is to give healthy skin and good vision. The sources of vitamin A are papaya, eggs, carrots, butter, green leafy vegetables. The deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Its symptoms are inability to see clearly in dim light. Vitamin B, its functions are to help convert food into energy, proper functioning of the nervous system. It is found in whole grains, spinach, eggs, fish, meat, beans, and yogurt. The deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi. Its symptoms are loss of appetite and mouth ulcers. Vitamin C, its function is to help wounds heal and to protect from cold and cough. It is found in sprouted grain, amla, tomatoes, oranges, and lemons. The deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Its symptoms are bleeding and swollen gums. Vitamin D, its role is to keep bones strong and keeps mind healthy. It is found in eggs, fish, liver, and also it is made in body on exposure to sunlight. The deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Its symptoms are weak and deformed bones. Mineral iron. Its function is to transport oxygen in blood. It is found in apples, whole grain, and spinach. The deficiency of iron in the body causes anemia. Its symptoms are tiredness and exhaustion. Calcium and phosphorus. Its role is to help build strong bones and teeth. It is found in milk and milk products, green vegetables also. The deficiency of calcium and phosphorus causes calcium deficiency. Symptoms are weak bones and unhealthy teeth. Then mineral iodine. Its role is production of thyroid hormones. It is found in salt. The deficiency of iodine causes goiter. Its symptoms are swelling in the neck. These are some more deficiency diseases and their symptoms. Rickets is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D in the diet. Here we can see a picture of a person suffering from rickets. A person with rickets becomes bow-legged because their bones become soft and can bend easily. Vitamin D is also called the sunshine vitamin because it is produced in the body when the skin is exposed to sunlight. Here we can also see a picture of a person suffering from goiter. Goiter is caused by the deficiency of a mineral called iodine in the diet. People suffering from goiter have a swelling in the neck. Adding iodine to salt is the most common method of preventing iodine deficiency. Goiter affects physical and mental development. Beriberi is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B. In those suffering from beriberi, there is loss of appetite, the tongue becomes sore, cracks appear at the corners of the mouth, and the skin of the hands become rough, dry, and scaly. The nervous system and heart are also affected. Night blindness is caused by the lack of vitamin A in the diet. A person suffering from night blindness finds it difficult to see in dim light. The eyes become dull and the skin becomes dry and scaly. Now let's learn five tips to better health. Drink more water. Eat fruits before breakfast. Add vegetables to every meal. Walk for 30 minutes daily and explore meatless meals. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.